All right, look, welcome to another episode of Planty Face. Quick repot. Quick repot. So quick, probably going to be a few minutes. So what I've got here is extremely high organic matter. Okay, I've got this obesa cactus. It's been a long time since this has been repotted. Also, it's in a really shitty pot to repot. I mean, yeah, I don't even know how I'm going to get it out. But bottom line is it needs new soil. It has been repotted since 2020, according to the sticker. So I'm just going to do my best. I'm going to retain the owl pot because my wife loves the owl pot. And so this is kind of pseudo her cactus. And I like it when my wife buys into the cactus with cute pots and cute cacti because, you know, it's just nice. So what I'm doing is I'm loosening up the soil right on the edge to try not damage the roots. But I can already tell this is going to be root bound to balls, right? Because it's been here for 6 years. So there you go. So look at that. It's been here for 6 years. So look at that. Look at the roots. It's already gone through the mesh. But overall, very healthy roots. Okay, very healthy roots. No rot, no dead. And it looks like they're all connected. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut this bit here. So, yeah. Okay. Let's see. When I got this, it was actually brown. Too much sun, neglected, but it's become green again. But now I'm hoping it'll become more bright green. So let me get rid of this shite. Okay, and let's see if we can make this work again. It'll be another few years before I have to move it, hopefully. Okay, so I'll put the mesh in there and put some potting mix. Okay. Just question is it buried enough? I think it is. I'm going to put some of the finer stuff underneath it, and then I'll put some stones. There you go. Look, I don't actually know if it's buried enough. You know what? I think I'm going to have to put another cactus in this one because it's become too shallow for it. I don't know what to do. And some people say maybe you should cut the roots. So maybe I'll do that actually. I'll cut the roots. I see this in Asia a lot, where they cut the roots. Okay, they say it stimulates growth and it's really good for the plant. You know what, I'm just going to go for it because I think that it'll be an interesting experiment nevertheless. There we go. Okay, whew, so I've got this. I'm going to leave this a little bit here. It's got some fibrous stuff, and let's see if this works. Hope it doesn't fucking die. Hope it doesn't die. we go. Lift it up a bit more. Lift it up a bit more. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. And once again, I'm gonna drench this. Today is Biosustain Drench Day. So I'm gonna drench it today, and let's put some smaller stones on the side. It's not going to be much room there, but let's see if, there you go. The stones actually help stabilize the actual cactus itself. So it's not just for looks, it's to stabilize the cactus and give it some breathing room around the edges. So yeah, cool. Look, there you go. Quick repot. Okay, cute owl. Quick repot.